Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start a new chapter of civics, chapter number 19, and the title of chapter is Our State Governments. India is the seventh largest nation of the world, extending over 3.28 million square kilometers. But for the administrative convenience, it has been divided into 28 states and 9 union territories. Each state has its own government, which is run on the lines of central government, and the union territories are administered by the President of India through a Lieutenant Governor or a Chief Commissioner. Both the central government and state governments are independent in their working, and the division of parts between center and the state is on the basis of three lists, that is union list, state list and concurrent list. There are 97 subjects in union list and 66 subjects in state list and 47 subjects in concurrent list. The central government is more powerful as it has more power, more resources and more finances. Still, the state governments have an independent identity and a very important role to play in Indian federal system. The state legislature. In most of the states, the legislature has only one house, that is Legislative Assembly, or you can say Vidhan Sabha. Only 6 states in India, that is Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Jammu Kashmir and Andhra Pradesh have 2 houses, that is Legislative and Assembly and Legislative Council. And the number of members in an assembly depend on the population of the state. And the term of legislative assembly is 5 years, but in case it is not functioning according to the constitution, it can be dissolved earlier also, and in such situation president's rules is imposed in that state. And in legislative assembly there is a speaker and a deputy speaker also, and the speaker presides over the meeting of the assembly and conducts its business. Legislative Council. It is a permanent house which cannot be dissolved, and the term of its members is 6 years, but 1/3 of its members retire after every 2 years, and they are replaced by newly elected members. The Vidhan Sabha elects its chairperson and deputy chairperson among its members. The minimum number of its members is 40, and the minimum age to be the member of Legislative Council is 30 years. Now, what are the functions of state legislature? It makes laws on the subjects mentioned in the state list and concurrent list. Second, it passes the annual budget of the state. Third, it keeps a check on the Council of Ministers of the state. And the money bill only introduced in legislative assembly. One more function is there. The elected member of legislative assembly can take part in the election of President of India along with the elected member of parliament. So today you have to learn three functions of state legislature and write also in your social science notebook. Thank you.